Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So just starting off on the monthly, and today is end of month, so you can see the monthly bar is currently an engulfing green bar. If it stays like that, that is fairly bullish. Price right where it is now at 31,446 is above the previous month high. So let's just put that in so we've got it. If you just drop down to the weekly quickly, you'll see we have another spinning top forming on the weekly. That is kind of not very bullish, but we do have these previous week highs here which we've been defending. You can see these are the previous week highs, so we've been defending it pretty much all week, but at the moment the pattern or the picture you see is not really very exciting right now. If we look at the 8 hour, and I think that's where we need to start, we're right back in this area of consolidation. Nice big move up on Thursday and then a proper meltdown just to irritate everybody basically, and pull it back into this area here. So this is basically what we've had. Is we've had the Feds busy, I won't say manipulating the market, they're trying to pass calm and the market's not listening. That's basically what's transpiring at the moment. So today, I think you can really guess what my strategy is today, is stay far away from this. Did try to get into a trade yesterday, didn't quite work out, basically stopped me out, but we'll get to that on the hour. If you look at what's transpiring here at the moment, currently we do have a bit of divergence forming between this low and that low, but this is not over yet. So we are bouncing off the 155 as you can see, and the big question is whether we're going to hold this or whether we are going to get a continuation to the downside. So I'm really not prepared to put money on either direction at the moment. So as far as I'm concerned, we are back in this area of consolidation, and that's pretty much where we're going to stay. So put that level in back there. Now we've had that break. We didn't even get half a retest at this level, and you can see yesterday I was looking for an entry at 31,600. Let's just put a level down there, which was pretty much in that area there. So the rationale was quite simple. We had an opportunity here. You can see, if you look to the left, you can see quite a bit of support, and if I come down to 15 minutes here, you'll see a little gap here, and was expecting a fairly decent move off that level with a stop below the swing low here. And you can see what happened. It went straight down and triggered the stop, and that was that. So anyway, I don't think there's much on offer today. Probably, by the looks of things, another move down. But this area of support here is fairly strong, so I'll have to wait and see what transpires. But being the end of the month and end of the week, there is going to be a bit of a tussle. So bulls and bears are really going to be at it, trying to gain the footing for next week, and new month, new week. So I'm really not convinced either way at the moment. So I think my confusion is pretty much what the rest of the market is. Thursday, everything's fine. We're really on bad news pretty much, and then yesterday we fall on good news. So who knows, guys? This is probably something that's been one of the most frustrating 2 weeks. Or was it 3 weeks now? Yeah, it's 3 weeks. So it's been one of the most frustrating 3 weeks of trading that I've done in quite some time. No real gains this week, very little gains last week, but nevertheless, I mean, that is the way how it goes. And for me today, I think we'll just let the month close off and let the rest of the market fight it out. I'll come back fighting on Monday morning. But for me, there's no real offer here of a trade. You could argue that there's a reason to buy off here. My concern with that is, look how many times we've tried that and in my opinion at the moment it does look like we're failing. Granted, the fail is only once we break below this for 31251, but at the moment that level is, it's just the longer we flirt with it, the higher the probability. We might as well just toss a coin to get the trade. And at the moment, tech is getting hammered for whatever reason it is. So, yeah, so for me at the moment, sit on the sidelines. We just take a long weekend, regroup, come back fighting next week. And that's it for me. Probably doesn't help you much, but there's nothing here that's going to help you get this market, unless you want to go trade the 2 minute. And you probably find some structure on the 2 minute, but that's not for me. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.